Mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of rain showers.
11:14, not 15.
Highs in the upper 40s. Here is the nearshore forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles from shore for the following: South Haven to Holland, Michigan. Small craft advisory in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Rest of today, west winds 10 to 20 knots, decreasing to 5 to 10 knots late in the day. Partly sunny. Waves 3 to 5 feet. Tonight, northeast winds 5 to 15 knots, very east late at night. Then increasing to 15 to 20 knots toward daybreak. Mostly cloudy with a chance of rain showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms.
Should be any second.
Waves 1 to 2 feet.
Crap. No, it's gonna freeze in the menu! I like how the 120s didn't activate.
This is the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids. The signal you just heard was our weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. We normally conduct the test on Wednesdays around 11:15 in the morning. However, if there's a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we'll postpone the test until the next available good weather day. Be advised that weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We'll activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. On 162.40 megahertz from Onondaga, those counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 megahertz from West Olive, those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Hesperia, those counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. On 162.525 megahertz from Mount Pleasant, those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 megahertz from Canonsburg, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. On 162.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Newaygo, and Mecosta. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm device.
Nice.